Hello again and welcome to my channel, Dr. Teacher Mom, passionate about learning. Today the tutorial is about abstract nouns. The lesson objective for today is to be able to understand abstract nouns and how they're used in writing. Let's begin. A noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a person, a place, or a thing. There are two nouns in this sentence. Greed often leads to unhappiness. Let's unpick the nouns. So the first is greed and the second is unhappiness. These nouns are called abstract because you cannot see them, you cannot touch them, you cannot hear them, or smell them. Abstract nouns are things, but you cannot touch, feel, hear, or smell them. Let's identify the abstract nouns in this list. So we have fear, greed, house, anger. Which ones can we not feel, touch, hear, or smell? Yes, you're correct. It's fear, greed, and anger. Let us change the words on the left into abstract nouns. So we have deliver, embarrass, intelligent, beautiful, courageous, victorious, active, conclude, and imagine. You can see in brackets there's some aid, some help to assist you in changing these to abstract nouns. So yes, deliver becomes the abstract noun delivery, while embarrass becomes the abstract noun embarrassment, intelligent becomes intelligence, beautiful becomes beauty, courageous becomes courage, victorious becomes victory, active becomes activity, conclude becomes conclusion, and imagine becomes the abstract noun imagination. Let's do some more just to consolidate your knowledge even further. So we have a list again of words and we're going to change them into abstract nouns. Let's begin. Point will become appointment, happy will become happiness, friend will become friendship, yes. Disturb will become disturbance, begin becomes beginning, remove becomes removal, able becomes ability, clumsy becomes clumsiness, invade becomes invasion, and proud becomes pride. Okay, let us identify the abstract nouns in this list. We have honesty should be rewarded, and yes, the abstract noun is honesty. This has been a good year for strawberry. The abstract noun is year. The prisoners were suffering from hunger and thirst, and the abstract nouns are hunger and thirst. And the last one, the day and weeks flew by for the children, and the abstract nouns are days and weeks. We've come to the end of this tutorial. I'm so happy to have you with me. Let's do it again next time. Bye.